Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to claim your daily reward to your account of Call of Duty Mobile. So firstly, what you have to do is click the events banner at the left of your screen. This is the events banner. Click it. As you can see, there are four tabs. There are one of them is daily, and seasonal, feature, and lost treasure. That's the event of this session. So for claim your daily reward, you need to click the daily tab. Click, and this is your daily reward. There are two rewards tab. So first tab is monthly login. This is a monthly reward for your account, and this is a daily task, so you can get the rewards every time you complete the mission or complete the task itself. So click the claim button. So congratulations, this is your daily reward for today. Tap continue back, and so you already claim your reward for today. So you can see your reward in the inventory tab. This is your reward for today. So thank you, that's all for today. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and also click the thanks button below. Enjoy the game.